and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you my most favorite drawing material. And I'm going on a holiday and I would love to bring it all, but that is not possible at all. But my most lovely and most wanted art material that I love to draw with are, of course, my pastel pencils, my pan pastels, charcoal, my fine liners, watercolor stuff like watercolor pencils or just watercolors, and of course the necessary all kinds of types of drawing paper with color, without color. Now it will be very soon that I will be going to Austria and also visiting Italy, a bit of Italy and Switzerland. And of course I cannot bring all my most loved drawing materials, so I have to make a selection. And what I also need to do is to make it compact so that I can take it around in my ruck bag and just take it with me, and as small as possible. So what I did is I've bought this, well, it's a folder like, well, it's with elastics in them, so I can stick my most precious drawing material with me. Now what I can't bring, of course, are my pan pastels, because I will be traveling around and they would pulverize. So that will be a shame. They're very expensive, so I will have to leave these at home. But of course I will bring some of my pan pastels. Not all colors, I have loads of them. So the most essential colors I will bring. Of course a little bit of charcoal I will bring, along with charcoal pencils. And what will never be missed by me is, of course, my pencil eraser. Very important. And for this one I will take a sharpener, but all my other materials will be sharpened with a knife, as I've demonstrated. So what I will also bring are my fine liners, and I will bring along the 005, the 0.3 and the 0.8, so I can do line and wash drawings. Then of course my blender stick for the charcoal and the pastel pencils. I cannot bring my cat either, can't I? So you will stay here. Yeah. My pastel knife I cannot bring because it does not fit here. So what I will do, go away. I will simply have this little fellow. It's for makeup. So this will be brought along to mixture my pastel pencils. Then this is a very nice item too. It is a brush with water in it, so I always have water with me. And I will not bring my set of watercolors because it will not fit here. So I will simply take along some watercolor pencils, and with this little fellow I can make those drawings. Furthermore, what is very important is to bring along some different kinds of paper. So here is a small notebook. Make sure that they are small, because when you're sitting you don't want this big drawing sheet in front of you. I don't want to get too much attention. I just want to be sitting in a corner and make little sketches, of course. Now this is a very nice one too. This is a mixed media. Also a small sketchbook with a very hard cover. And this is thick paper for my watercolors. So I have white paper, a little bit tan paper, and what I will also bring is my tone gray, of course, for my pastel pencils. They're all small, they have a hard cover, so I can draw away as much as I want. So, this is what I'm going to fill up. That's this thing. And I will make an extra video for this, for my patrons that are supporting me on my Patreon side. And they can have a look at what I'm going to bring along. He's so lovely, man. What I'm going to bring along. So, if you're going on a holiday, I wish you all the fun. Make sure to bring along your drawing material. And I hope to bring along a lot of sketches to show you. So, I will see you next week. Take care. All the love. And, well, see you again soon. Bye-bye.